football friends, this is last day in this year. This is last unboxing in this year with a YouTube channel Kopackovo. Firstly, thank you for comments, likes, subscribe, and you don't forget subscribe too. Thank you for joining on our social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. Now we have last unboxing this year. This is a product worn by superstars such as Ronaldo, Mbappe, Hazard or Neymar. Yes, Nike Mercurial. Time to open. Let's go. Single piece is upper made from fly knit, combined with height tenacity yarn for outstanding level of flexibility and full 360 lockdown. The upper has been coated with the thinnest layer of Nyskin ever seen, while keeping the all condition control for superior performance in all weather conditions. Featuring Nike grip technology to ensure minimum level of slipping and maximizing energy efficiency. And very important stats is now 1 millimeter longer, while being designed to ensure like close to ensure acceleration and easy change of direction. This is Nike Mercurial Vapor FG Elite. Thank you for your watching.